Hey everyone, this is my mini for the Chi hair dryer, 8 at 525. Spot 1 gets 15 and spot 8 gets 6 on the main. Thanks everybody for the fill. Copy the list. Go live. 11:19. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 11:19. And we have a 5. 11:19. 8 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4. After the 4th time, there's still 8 items on the list. Miss Amanda Looney is on the top. Miss Angela Rice is on the bottom. We randomized 4 times. The dice call for a 5. 11:20, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 1 gets 15 spots on the main. That's Miss Tara Roberts. And spot 8 gets 6 spots. That's Miss Beth Perry. Congrats, winners. 8 items on the list. 5 times. The dice call for a 5. And we are done at 11:20. Thanks, everyone.